Hello friends, if you have completed BTech or in the verge of completing BTech degree, you are probably looking for top universities for pursuing MTech degree. Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, Ranchi with 66 years of excellence in technical education is your option. Here in BIT, we not only nurture young budding engineers, but we let wings to your dreams. Come, join us for MTech programs. Department of Production and Industrial Engineering since 1964 has been imparting quality education to meet the demands of the manufacturing industry. The main objective of the department is integration of technology with industrial management. Advanced manufacturing technologies like Industry 4.0, I.O.T, smart manufacturing, lean manufacturing philosophies are incorporated in our PG courses. Interested BTech graduates from mechanical, production, electronic, electrical, computer science engineering can join us in this MTech program, Automated Manufacturing System. We have best-in-class faculty members. Our faculty members are not only good researchers but also best of teachers. All faculty members has large teaching and research experiences.
We have a huge list of student achievements. Our alumni has always been a great strength for us.
We have state-of-the-art lab facilities. In order to make them industry-ready, our students are imparted hands-on training on most sophisticated equipments. Major research equipments are Carl Zeiss microscope, thermal imaging camera, ultrasonic flaw detector, WEBM, dynamometer, microwave furnace, stir casting setup, and submerged arc welding setup. For details, you can visit www.bitmesra.ac.in or call our toll-free number for more details.